Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Google language settings to English. So in this video I'm going to walk you through two simple methods at which you can use to change your language settings to English. So you can simply use the mobile browser, and at the same time you can also use the Google app. So let's get started. So to use the mobile browser, open your mobile browser, then go to myaccount.google.com. Then on your phone, sign in, then tap the menu icon, which is the three-line icon, or your profile picture at the top right. Then from there, scroll down and tap on data and personalization. Then after that, tap on language under general preference for the web. Then under it, tap on the pencil icon, then search for language and select it, then save your changes. Then on the mobile app, open the Google mobile app, then make sure you are logged in, then tap your profile icon at the right top corner, then go to the settings, then click on language and region. Then from there, select and search and set it to English. And that's a simple guide on how you can simply change language settings to English on Google. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.